Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, another futures day trading tutorial here. I'm using the MotiveWave platform today. We do produce our indicators for lots of different platforms, so I thought I would use MotiveWave today. We're going to be looking at the importance of combining those strategies that we have. So even though in this case the crab pattern has formed on the xBrat Auto Harmonic software, to get in this too early is always a little bit crazy, to be honest. You need confirmation. If we look down the bias depth heat map, as this crab pattern's completing in the automated completion zone, so everything's good as far as the strategy is concerned. The resulting short trade, because it's coloured in red, it's a high probability, but we just want to be, for me, I always want to let the train leave the station a little bit. Get on the train as it's leaving the station. Make sure that momentum's starting to go. So when we look at that bias depth heat map down below, we're green, yellow, red. So we've got bullish, neutral, and bearish sort of sentiment there. So we've got to wait a little bit. In this case, sometimes we get that confirmation from the bias depth heat map from the harmonic pattern being formed reasonably quickly. We didn't in this case, and this is why we wait. We get a 6-star xBratAlgo signal at this point here, and this is the one, because when we look down below on this particular candle, all 6 time frames on the bias depth heat map are red. So we've got that confirmation, that secondary confirmation from a different type of strategy for different market conditions, confirming the short from that original auto harmonic pattern. They're working well together. Then we've got the confirmation from the bias depth heat map. So we've got some fantastic signals here. We've got some confirmation. We need to go short. We need to go short just below the 6-star candle here, probably a couple of ticks below, and then we're in. And then we use the manager to manage the trade. So we're on the 5-minute on ES on this one. We just put that line in there for the entry, so we can just see that a little more clearer. So our entry's around about there. So we don't enter straight away. We've got a couple of ticks below there. We don't enter straight away, but when we do, we go hell for leather all the way down there. But one of the things I want to talk about here is when we get this initial pullback, we don't panic. This is average volume because with the dots up above are higher than average volume on this way down. This little pullback here is average volume, then it pulls down again. Now we get this ribbon for the manager turning green at this point. That is when to take the profit. You've maximized profit and you've not panicked on that first pullback, which has been another 100 and so ticks there. So really, really important that although we're getting great signals from the harmonic pattern, we're not got the confirmation straight away from the heat map, so we wait. Then we get a 6-star xBrat signal, which is 12 out of 12 points control, very high probability. We're backing up what the harmonics are telling us. We go short because we're all 6 time frames red on the heat map, and then we've got to use the manager to maximize those profits, not to panic on those pullbacks. Hopefully this helps. Very short video, but it's very, very simple. All of these strategies behind the scenes are quite complex, but what we do, we put them on the charts visually and simply so you can follow the rules. Very simple rules, and repeat them all the time to get these great trading opportunities when trading futures, forex, crypto, or stocks. In this case, I've used futures and the MotiveWave platform. Again, check out the links below the video. We've got the links to all of the indicators, and you will get to see which platforms they are available for.